So today we have the task of tinting this side window. It is an older Chevy pickup. I've decided that I'm going to remove the seal because I am going to bottom load it. You know, the chances of getting high contamination on this, as you can see, getting high contamination at two-stage on this particular window is pretty high. I'm going to cover the door with door guards by Dirty Tools because we're going to use plenty of water, slip solution, cleaner, to get this window pretty well cleaned up. Scrub all the ledges, all the sides, and then we're going to go ahead and use a plastic razor blade by Dirty Tools. The scrubbing and the slip solution will get the contaminants a little bit soft, and then the hard, sharp razor blade made of plastic will go ahead and finish off the rest of the cleaning. We'll continue cleaning the exterior of the window because we want our pattern to be as debris free as possible for a much better installation. Today we're going to be installing Stealth IR 20% by Dirty Tools. Cut on the left, slide over about 1/4 inch. Cut on the right, slide over about 1/8 of an inch. That'll guarantee no gap on the left or the right. Follow this trim from where you last cut it all the way to the top to ensure a very straight, perfectly cut pattern. The top, keep all your edge very straight. Keep your hand very straight. Do one full correct cut. Trim out your pattern on the peel board. Make sure it's very nice and straight, just like that. We're going to do a snap shrink on this window because, well, if we don't snap it, we're going to get fingers from the side or some other unwanted places. We're going to get some chocolatey dirt left and right, or perhaps some places we don't want them to come out of. Snapping will ensure a very good, high quality, flat lay. Clean our window out with our prepper from Dirty Tools. You see all the hydrophobic coating on the window, so make sure that your pattern has a lot of slip. Even if the window doesn't take the slip, the pattern will take all the slip, and as you can see, not a problem gliding that pattern onto the window. Align the edge for a superb micro edge, and we're going to try out our Torx tube blade insert by Dirty Tools. I totally love how slick it is, gliding across the pattern of the window film. Our all-in-one, go ahead and seal all the edges with our all-in-one tool by Dirty Tools. Clean all the tops, seal it to perfection. Finish off squeegeeing the pattern all the way to the bottom. This type of blade is very hard with a 90 durometer, so pretty much there needs no be a second pass or any of that kind of stuff. One pass should be enough. Water-free installation. All-in-one tool all the way to the sides. Remove our door guard. Clean as whistle. Check out the installation before turning it in. Looks amazing.